That's a shot right there, chat. Here's you ready? Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. So let's talk about today's build. First build up is for Tactical 8 Gaming. I don't know if you guys know who they are. They are in PUBG. It's one of their PUBG pros. It's actually one of our signature series Elite Extreme Systems. It's an Intel Extreme system. It's a 11700K and a 3080. It's for Grizz. Yeah, this is Grizz's build. Yep. This is, I guess, I'm not sure if it's for him or one of his players, but it's gonna look good. Grizz, who is this for again? Oh, it's for you. Okay, I thought it was for you. I thought it was for one of your players. That being said, let's head over to the build station and start building Alex's PC. This is going to feature a 11700K 8-core CPU from Intel. We've got an EK AIO going on there as well, the 360 ARGB AIO from EK. The motherboard's got the Gigabyte Aorus Z590 Pro. Fantastic motherboard from Aorus. It's got plenty of USB ports. Wait till you see this. We got 3600 megahertz of CL16 and 3600 megahertz G.Skill Trident Z Ram. We've got a 1 terabyte Western Digital SN-750 going in there as well. It's our main boot drive and all of our hard drive space. Video card, we've got the GeForce RTX 3080 FTW3. I gave Alex a little, say, hey, you know what, Alex, you know what, Grizz, let's do that FTW3 action today. So he's got an FTW3 upgrade. Because waiting for the cards to come in, he had to wait a little bit longer than I anticipated. So we're going to upgrade him today to an FTW3. It's all going to the Pure Base Be Quiet 500DX black mid tower case. And then we've got an EVGA G Plus 850 watt power supply going there as well. So any reason you picked Intel over AMD or just Creator? This was the choice of Grizz. This was the choice of Grizz. He wanted to go with the Intel system. We have an AMD signature series that we get with 1500X. We build them all the time. We build on both systems. We actually probably build by about 65% are AMD based and about 35% are Intel based. Let's head over and start building this beauty. All right, without further ado, let's go top down and start building this beautiful motherboard. All right, we talked about the fantastic USB output. Look at that. Look at all that USB power. Hope that looks a bit better for you. Look at all that USB. Ooh, cigars. Ooh, it's been a while since I smoked a cigar. Only on vacation, special occasions, really do I smoke a cigar. That does sound good sometimes. All right, so be warned, when we do start this up, it is going to be all orange because of the RGB. FYI. So Grizz, when you see all orange right away with the RGB, don't be afraid. That is the patented Aorus startup RGB color before RGB Fusion's installed. All right, motherboard's all built. Let's get ready to work on this case. Is 1650 super enough to run most games? Yeah, I'd say 1080p low settings, yes. Most games, if you're running like a low settings, aren't utilizing that much VRAM, and the 1650 super can handle it. You just don't expect to go much over 60 FPS in most titles. You might get closer to 100 in some. So we're on the motherboard, and then we're gonna do the AIO. We're just opening up the case. Case is nice and opened up now, as you guys can see. Looks really nice. This is the kind of the ins and out of the case. Looks really, really sharp. All right, there we go. Looking good, chat. Motherboard's all in. Let's take a front look at it. Super clean. Super clean. I love that look. I love this Aorus board in this case. I think it looks so clean. All right, start working on the AIO. That's what's next. All fans are installed. All right, let you take a peek at this. Looks really good. Let's go work on the fans, the RGB. Let's get this thing mounted. Then we're gonna work on the fans and the RGB. Before we get ready to start working on that power supply. We got the AIO mounted. We did a cool top mount wrap for Grizz. It's gonna hide his pump cables while still allowing them to work efficiently. Oh, you guys a front close-up look while I start working on the wiring. The P looks so clean. It is. That's super clean. This is our Intel Extreme system. You can pick this up every day. 3080 11700K 360 AIO.
Fantastic system. We built the system before also with all RGB, and it looks beautiful as well. Snip this and start working on the daisy chain. So you have to daisy chain all the RGB. That's what I'm working on right back here, chat. The RGB we have to daisy chain all the RGB, which is fun. So right now what I'm doing is I'm actually doing a little electrical wrap around the connectors for the 5-volt RGB. It helps these connections from coming unplugged into any kind of transit or any kind of more zip tying it, keep them all nice and neat. What we're doing right now. Power supply 850G+. We've started to upgrade all of our consumers. The GA is a great power supply, don't get me wrong, but we want to keep giving more and more to our consumers. We want performance. We want the best possible products when each one of our systems start going out. So we're constantly figuring ways to even perform and cut costs for the consumer. Also upgrading performance. Not cut costs on our end, but cut costs on the consumer's end. We've been like pushing to order more GPUs all at once now, buying more and more as we can. That way we can get the cost down there, so customers spend less as well. We're on some of the zip ties back here right now. We're getting really close to getting that thick boy out. Where's No Good at? Before we can work on the GPU, we need to add our fans. Add our fans back in, run them all in. So let's do the connections. This is clean. It's a very clean wire management on this one, chat. Cable management just looks so good. All right, 2 top fans and GPU. And we're ready for the GPU. Look at all those fans, everything wired in. It looks so clean. Super nice looking system. Grizz, this thing is a beauty. Put in that work for you, brother. It was a wiring is looking mighty fresh. There's cable management on the back. Sheesh. Let's start opening that card up. Heard that thunk around the world. Look at that. That's good and sturdy. Yeah, that's the shot right about there. That's the shot right there, chat. Here's you ready?
Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping and showing us some love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.